Measurable. And actually, to be measurable is to ask yourself, what are the measures or the metrics are you going to use to determine if you achieve your goal? Just take it easy and ask yourself how much or how many of the goal you want to achieve, and how will you know when you achieve it? Let's take our example. If you are a clothes merchandising company and you want to increase sales, this is a specific goal. But to make it measurable, you can say, or you may say, I want to increase sales by selling 3,000 pieces of clothes. Yes, that's great. This is now a measurable goal, a specific one, and a measurable as well. The next example is if you are a student and you want to be good or you want to make success in the English language. Let's say that you want to be good in the English language. This is a specific goal, but to make it measurable, you can continue and say, by learning the four skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Now you are specific and measurable. So let's go to the next step.